Hello everybody, welcome back once again to a new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the DRTC and its courses, which are MS in Library and Information Science Research Program, and the services of DRTC. Those are Librarians, Digital Library and CALIS. I will discuss about those courses and services by practically going through the information available in DRTC website. As I have already discussed about DRTC in my earlier video, you can consider it as part 2 of that video. I would also like to recommend you to watch the earlier video before watching this video. Link of the video is in the description below, or else you can also click on the I button to watch it. So let's start the video. As Documentation Research and Training Center, DRTC is a research center of library and information science and allied disciplines at Indian Statistical Institute, Bangalore. Indian Statistical Institute is also known as ISI. So to access the DRTC page, we have to go through the ISI Bangalore's website. And the website address of ISI Bangalore is isibang.ac.in. So here is the website address of ISI Bangalore, isibang.ac.in. So this is the website of ISI Bangalore. Before starting the main part, I would like to discuss about ISI because DRTC and ISI both are related. Indian Statistical Institute ISI is a public research university established in 1931. The University of India is one of the oldest and most prestigious institutes focused on statistics. The institute is now considered as one of the foremost centers in the world for training and research in computer science, statistics, quantitative economics, and other subjects like library and information science. ISI has its headquarters in Bonhugli, Kolkata, West Bengal. It has 4 subsidiary centers focused in academics at Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai and Tezpur, and a branch at Giridih as well. In addition, the institute has a network of units of statistical quality control and operations research at Vadodara, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Mumbai and Pune, engaged in guiding the industries within and outside India in developing the most up-to-date quality management systems and solving critical problems for quality, reliability and productivity. For visiting DRTC page, we have to go to the right side of the website where we can see academic departments. And just below it we can find Documentation Research and Training Center. Once clicking on the link, it will take us to the DRTC web page. Here in the web page, we have to find services, which is located here. After clicking the navigational menu, the drop down of services, you can see the 2 services of DRTC, which are one is Librarians, Digital Library and the other one is CALIS. At first we'll go through Librarians, Digital Library. So Librarians, Digital Library is online research repository of articles, papers, presentations related to the field of library and information science. The service is available in the following URL. You have to click this URL to find out the Librarians Digital Library. This is the repository of Librarian Digital Library provided by DRTC Bangalore. So following other informations, you can see there, these are the recently added articles, or else you can go to the search interface here and you can search the information. Suppose you want to search virtual learning. You have to search here, click on the go. There you can find the articles related to the virtual learning. Suppose you want to download any article, you have to click on the article and it will open one more page where you will find this option, open view, and the article will be opened and you can directly read it from the browser, or else you can download it by clicking here the download button. So the next service of DRTC is Kellys. Here you can find Kellys. You have to click on Kellys option and it will take us to the page of Kellys. Kellys is current awareness in library and information science. It collects the RSS feeds of journals in the fields of library and information science. The service can be accessed from the following URL. The Kellys means Kellys is a current awareness service which provides the RSS feeds of the recently published journal articles of library and information science. So if you want a recent information, if you want the current information, so Kellys is a better option for you. So this is the web page of Kellys where you can see all the recently published articles you can find here. It will start from the recent one. In the right hand side you can see the journals, which articles you can find here in this database. If you want to download the article, you can directly click on the article, but it will depend upon the objective of the journal, whether it is free of cost or it is paid. So you have to verify it while accessing the articles. So after accessing the services of DRTC, now let us see what are the courses offered by DRTC. To see the courses, we have to click here. You can see there are two courses. One is MS in Library and Information Science, the other one is Research Program. So let's first see the MS in Library and Information Science. So here you can find the information about the MS in Library and Information Science. So let us see the eligibility for this program. The eligibility for this program is the candidates should have bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university, Indian or foreign, obtained after 12 plus 3 years of education, that is after your graduation. So the selection procedure for candidate is to go through the entrance exam. There will be a written test and an interview. There is no tuition fee for the program and all eligible students will receive a stipend. So this is a plus point. See, you don't have to pay any tuition fee. The duration of the program is 24 months, is 2 years. And the student will receive a stipend of 5,000 per month. So there are some conditions, you can go through it when the stipend is withdrawn and all. If you fail in the semesters, then the stipend will be withdrawn. Next course of DRTC is the research program. So the information of research program you cannot find it here. So we'll go to the important link where you can see the admission. In the admission, let us see the latest admission brochure of DRTC. This is the one, the prospectus 2020-2021. This is the prospectus of Indian Statistical Institute for the academic session of 2020-21. Here you can find the information related to the admission. So this prospectus is mainly divided into some parts: the bachelor degree, master degree and the doctoral degrees. So our concern is first here, Master of Science in Library and Information Science. So here the information is given that it's a 2-year program in Library and Information Science with special emphasis to application of information technology. And on successful completion of this program, a student will be able to pursue academic career to take up responsible positions in various private and public. All those things are there. The eligibility, the program is offered only at Bangalore. Yes, I have told you earlier that only the Bangalore, the DRTC is only at Bangalore. Eligibility: in order to eligible for admission to this program, an applicant must have a 3-year bachelor degree in any discipline, and selection procedure will be selection of candidates will be based on performance, written and subsequent interview. So this is the master degree program. Now let us see about the doctoral degree. So doctoral degree, if I go to Doctor of Philosophy, this is PhD. In Doctor of Philosophy, I cannot find any admission in the subject of Library and Information Science. There is no notification. In Doctor of Science, by any chance, if I see, it is all about the statistics. I cannot see any information regarding the PhD admission in Library and Information Science. I don't think this year they are taking any research scholar in Library and Information Science, but in the year when I was about to apply for a PhD, that time it was there, and I have also applied there, but due to some circumstances I could not appear for the written examination. So in some future video I will make a dedicated video on the research program in DRTC. So that was the information about the admission. Let us see what was the last date and all. So important dates here: the online application started from February 14, 2020. It ended at March 6, 2020. The payment of application fee was between February 14 to March 10. Issue admit card April 20, and admission test was on May 10. I think I'm sure that the date has been postponed due to the condition, due to the situation. So this year it has been over. So next year, if somebody wants to apply in DRTC for MS and Library and Information Science, so they have to follow it from the initial part of the year, from January, February, March, April, these months. They have to follow regularly the DRTC website. I want to tell you one more thing, that if you want to find out about my upcoming videos, then please go to the discussion option of my YouTube channel and you can find the information here, because I'll be sharing the information here in time to time. So for example, 2 days back I have shared that I'll be uploading some of my live class videos. Please follow it so I can be connected to you all. And in my next video I'll be taking up some questions. So next video will be a question answer session. I'll be taking up some questions and I'll try to answer the questions, as I'm getting some questions from you all. So I'll be trying to answer that in my next video, and I'll update here the exact date of my next video. So that was the video where I have discussed about the courses of DRTC, the services of DRTC, and in future I'll make one more video in DRTC research program. So let me know if you want me to make a dedicated video on the research program provided by DRTC on Library and Information Science. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.